The Architecture Entrance Exam 2023 is coming up quickly, and students need to ensure that they are prepared. For those who wish to be successful in this exam, there are certain tips and strategies that can help them prepare effectively. Here are some of the most important steps that should be taken while preparing for this exam.
Step 1. Analyze syllabus. First, make sure you familiarize yourself with the syllabus of the exam. This way you can identify weak areas and focus your efforts on improving those areas first. It is also important to have a good understanding of time management techniques, as this will help you manage your time during the exam efficiently. Step 2. Develop study plan. Secondly, create an organized schedule which outlines how much time needs to be dedicated to each subject and practice test papers accordingly. This will ensure that all topics are covered adequately and ensure consistency in studying throughout the duration of preparation period. Step 3. Find resources. First, consider reaching out to other students who have already taken the exam or have experience with architecture entrance exams. Talking to them can give you a better idea of what topics are covered on the test, potential questions that may be asked, and practical advice on how to approach studying. Additionally, they may even be able to recommend certain study materials or provide useful insights into the application process. Second, take advantage of online resources such as websites dedicated specifically to architecture entrance exams or forums where students can discuss their experiences with preparing for the exam. Step 4. Prepare mock exams. Mock exams allow candidates to experience what the real exam will be like, familiarizing themselves with the format and subject matter that will appear on the test day. It also helps them track their progress, identify any knowledge gaps they need to fill, and get used to working under time pressure. Additionally, taking several mock exams provides valuable insight into how much time needs to be allocated for each section of the real test so that they can plan accordingly when it comes down to crunch time. Step 5. Take breaks. Breaks are just as important as studying when it comes to Architecture Entrance Exam 2023 preparation. Not only do they provide mental and physical relief from the intense focus that comes with test prep, but they also allow you to come back to your studies with fresh eyes and a fresh perspective. Taking regular breaks can help sharpen concentration skills in addition to providing stress relief.